Unraveling the phrase, hope fades. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in English, hope fades. By the end of this video, you'll have a deeper understanding of what it means and how to use it in various contexts. Let's break down the phrase, hope fades, into its individual words to understand it better. Hope, a feeling of expectation and desire for a certain thing to happen. Fades, to gradually disappear, diminish, or lose strength. When combined, these words create a powerful expression that conveys a certain emotion. The phrase, hope fades, refers to the gradual lessening or disappearance of the feeling of optimism or expectation about something. It implies that one's positive outlook or assurance in a particular outcome is dwindling. This can be due to a variety of reasons, such as repeated disappointments, changes in circumstances, or the passage of time. To solidify our understanding, let's look at some situations where hope fades might be used. 1. Waiting for a loved one. If someone has been waiting for a loved one to return for a long time, and there's no sign of them, they might say, "As the days go by, my hope fades." 2. A sports game. Imagine a soccer match where one team is trailing by 3 goals with only a few minutes left. A commentator might say, "Hope fades for Team A as the clock ticks down." 3. In literature, authors often use hope fades to depict a character's emotional state, especially during challenging times. Now that you understand its meaning, you can use hope fades in your conversations and writings. But remember, it's a phrase that conveys a somber or melancholic tone. So, use it when the context demands such an emotion. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, hope fades. Language is rich with expressions that capture the depth of human emotions, and by understanding such phrases, we can communicate more effectively and empathetically. Keep learning, and we hope to see you in the next video.